Yeah, that though is our duty when it comes to our department social welfare. It's our duty to find out that, and then we try to make sure also that our youth are not left behind, especially our children, those who are underage. We want, we really want to take good care of them. That's why we used to have this kind of awareness that this is right, this is wrong. So at the end, what makes them join or what makes them take steps which will bring a shame to our society, I really don't know, but we need to know exactly. I believe that when it comes to this what had happened in police bazaar with those children, so I believe that with the investigation of the police, so they will reveal the truth what have been going through in their life, and then we maybe through that we will have a link, and then if it is possible from our side, the department, we will check what step needs to be done so that in future our children will not be a trap of that same situation.
So a study is likely on the cards. A deep
No,
in
actually,
the
we are
in
waiting
the
after we have what to say, after the interaction with those children, what exactly is going in their life. Then maybe we will have some kind of solution, and then we will find a solution. But at least we need to know what exactly is going on that they have to take such a big step. Otherwise, it's very difficult because we don't know their mindset, what went wrong in their life. So I believe that there must be something which they feel that by doing that, that is a revenge for them. So maybe they have gone through in somewhere else that in their life they have when such a horrible, maybe a very terrible things happen to them. So that they have to take. Otherwise, doing such kind of thing is not easy for anybody. For us to think about it also is very difficult.
that's what's in the in short you are saying that in-depth study will be conducted to find out.
Yes, of course. After saying that, what exactly is going on? I believe that after the interrogation, I mean, after the investigation by the police, so we will have the exact point that why these people are joining this militancy group. But actually, it's so sad to hear that if the underage will go and join any kind of terrorist group. Actually, not only the underage, even the any age is not advisable, and we will not want them to go and join any kind of terrorist group, and which will at the end will bring only disturbance to the livelihood of the people of our state, and only trouble will bring. So my request is that that is not a solution that our youth should seek, where they will find peace or a solution for their requirement. But at the end, the solution is that they should come and do something good for the society, not by disturbing the society. So, and it's so sad to hear that this, I don't know from which group are they, but whichever group they are, uh, who appoint this, the underage youth, especially our children. So it's very sad to say that these people are not thinking about the future of those children, because when they appoint them, they spoil their life, their career, everything. Because what we feel that these people they might have not known what is good, what is bad. So that's why when somebody called them to join in their group, so they join, and then it turns to be they destroyed the livelihood of our people, and they disturb the peace in our city. So I feel that these people should have not called this underage, because when they take them, when they appoint them, it really is sad to see these people have spared nobody. They even now start appointing this the underage. So if my request is that to all the youth, that don't seek a solution where you might think that this is the easy way, but at the end, law is there for everyone. So I believe that the law will take care for everyone, whether it's underage. As per the law, it has to be punished. So if they bring any kind of disturbance to our society, so the law is there, which is meant for everyone. So, but at the end, I would like to request that this is not the solution for you to join any kind of militancy group. So the best is that you try to stand on your own feet, and then do the best you can, work, and then try to live, and then feed your families with with dignity, not by showing when after doing all this kind. how you'll show your face to the public, which is a shame to all of us. It's very sad to hear that in our state now this kind of things has start happening. So
Right.
I believe that from now on, this thing should not be repeated again, and it should stop immediately.
Right.
You have seen that the population have been increasing from time to time. No matter how much you create, but at the end there's something missing and there's something lack of. So for that, you nobody should claim someone. We have to blame blame ourselves that why I'm not there, because in this competitive world that I should be the one who compete for my rights. And if I just wait for easy money or wait for easy job, so that is not the way we should live. We should compete with others that I also capable of doing something. And then the best is that like most of the time people used to criticize the government that we don't get government job. It's not easy to provide each and everyone government job. So it's good if they stand on their own feet by making some new initiative that give job to others too. So that is the best if our youth can stand on that and then try to live on that way. But it's okay, no doubt. The government also are trying. We are trying our best that to provide whatever we can. Whenever there's a vacancy, we fill it. When there's no vacancy, what can we do?